Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So today we are going to be in Monroe, North Carolina, checking out this car cruising in the historic downtown Monroe. It happens every second Friday, so let's go ahead and check out what's going on over here. People have been dying to get out the house to showcase their whips. Here we go, baby. Let's go find us a spot. Join the show. All right, here we go. This is how they do it in the streets of Monroe. Check out these old school Cadillacs, sitting low. Classics everywhere. A little bit of old school, a little bit of new school. Over there we got the birth of the Hemi. This is like a museum on wheels. It is right there. Cadillac City. Classics. Oh man, look at this. This is an interesting piece of work over here. We got to go see what's going on with this guy. There it is right here. Cadillac. Yo, the engine probably costs more than the car, baby. Look at that, baby. Look at that. So there's the car that supposedly the NSX looks like. I beg to differ. So is it right here? A little bit of everything. A little bit of everything. Wait for it. And the mini model car. This is the best part of the entire show right here. This is it. Everybody wants to check this guy out right here. Yeah. Looks like you really do get a little bit of everything.